Shaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmadu wa nusalli ala Rasul Kareem amma ba'd. My dear students of 10th class of Government High School, Shadmundwala. Today, my topic is agro-based industries, and I am going to continue the topic which I have started about three days back, and the topic is going to be continued because it is a large topic. So that is that. Now today my topic is agro-based industries. Agro-based industries. Before that, I have discussed before you cotton, cotton textile industry, jute textile industry, woolen textile industry, and today I will talk about silk textile industry. My dear students, both boys as well as girls, silk is a fiber. Silk is a fiber which is obtained from a silkworm, from the silkworm that grows mostly on mulberry leaves. As India's environment is suitable for the plantation of mulberry trees, mulberry cultivation. Besides, that is why silk is grown in India on a large scale. Silk production is there very high in India, I can say. Apart from mulberry trees, the silkworm grows on sariri and moga trees, tree leaves. Those trees are also mulberry, tasariri, and moga trees are grown in India in a large numbers. Now let us look towards the past of silk. As far silk was in India is concerned, it came from to India from China. Indians were India's relations with China were forged during the Huan Sang's after the Huan Sang's visit. Huan Sang was a Chinese traveler who came to India during Harsha's period, Harshavardhana's period. Harsha was an Indian emperor. At present, At present, India produces 8.5 lakh kilogram of silk yarns per annum or per year. And in India, there are more than 90 silk factories operating in different states and in various parts of the country. More than 10, ninth, 9, 10th, no more than 90% silk comes from Karnataka state. Apart from Karnataka, the other states where silk is grown, silk is produced, they are West Bengal and Jammu and Kashmir. In West Bengal, the important factories of silk are situated at Mysore in Karnataka, Bangalore in Karnataka, Belgaum in Karnataka, Murshidabad in West Bengal, Srinagar, Baramulla, Anantnag, Badgam in Jammu and Kashmir, Bankura in West Bengal. India not fulfills the needs of the country. From the silk thread, clothes is produced, textile is produced, post cloth which is used for both wearing as well as for furnishing. The India exports silk to various countries of Asia, the USA, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, the Russia, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Singapore. Dear students, that was my topic today. I am hopeful that you have understood this topic. May God bless you. Jazakallah khair.